I'm Steve. I'm the owner of Huckleberry, which is a Sunreef 74 catamaran. And just for a minute here, I'm going to show you a couple of things that are pretty great about the Yacht Concept system. So far, we are most of the way through the refit, I think. We're getting there. Final touches to be done, little tweaks, switches, stuff like that. But overall, I'm blown away by the system, by the customization, and by the ability to continually adapt, and how it's unique for every boat. Like if there's specific things that are going on with this boat that are different than other boats, I'm able to actually have that done and work in this system without affecting what other boats. It's not just some plug and play, here's your system, this is how it is, if you don't like it, sorry. Like, this is very much a system for your boat, how you want it, which is awesome. So I'll show you a couple things here with some tabs. This is the main Yacht Concept screen. There's a lot of shortcuts, a lot of different things. Then you have the smaller tab station. In this tab, for example, you could set up like stuff individual. Like I have a lot of cabins on the boat. I don't need 6 cabins and for all the controls for the different lights and stuff like that. So for power, you have batteries, fuse boards, stuff like that. But real highlight here is easiest one, fluids. You've got water, you've got fresh water, wastewater, fuel. So fuel, water tab here, fuel tab in the center, and black water. And what you're able to do is you're able to literally create tabs and disable tabs just right here in the top. And it's very simple, easy to use. You can set this up and lay it up however you want. So the next thing to show are basically, there's mechanical backups. All the light switches obviously have push button light switch. So should this panel fail, you can go around the boat and flip light switches. But the real highlight, should this panel fail, should something go wrong, is your nav lights. You have all your nav light control here. This is not done yet, but this is the control here. And then, in the next clip I'll show you, you can actually get underneath if you have to and manually override should your system fail while you're out at sea and you need them. Obviously, but up here in this corner, we have a Yacht Concept box. Within that box, there are actual manual toggle switches. So should we need to change anything or do anything, we can do it in that box. It's pretty great. So all the nav lights and stuff, there's actual manual overrides to it all right there. All right, that's been a view of Yacht Concept so far on this boat, just a small little bit. I hope you guys like it. Thanks.